ne mundu biri empya ne bagamba nti ateekateeka abantu bagule ebijambiya bagende batemetema abantu ne bagamba nti akulira ababbi mu Mityana disitulikiti n'enjogera oluzungu ennyenje ne zikunkumuka nagenza okubeera basabana banyabo navuddeyo naye ng'agasonga bamuteekako tegayina nsonga. Njagala okubategeeza gavumenti ya jjajja ekooye kati egenda epangapanga agasangosango naye nze nga kyamanyi wammwe weya wammwe njanga kubawerekerako era njanga kukola ki kubanyo basobana banyabo naye tubagamba temuzikiza.
Ona abebembezi aba baragenda okukimitaka kumu omubebembezi ba district bamwe abarigera kukora emirimo yabo bashemereire kuba bakora abo kuba bakaterwa akaruru batanga kucyomporana n'abandi nangwa no kutanga kuronda obururu bucyorikare ekiba kugira ngo ekigwerire cya rumwe ngo kandi bine kuba bakora emirimo eyabaterirwa akaruru.
Waliwo omwami kati ayagala okuluvuganya abadde naffe naye bamusamu kantu kidogo n'akyuka bisobe y'Emityana agisuddewo takyakola mirimu gya disitulikiti. Emirimu ku disitulikiti abaana baffe bagula bigule abantu baba Masaka ne babawa emirimu baba Mukono ne babawa emirimu ate nategedde waliwo n'abava e Kigali mu Rwanda ne bakola ki ne babawa emirimu.
Byonna babigambireho no babibariho bareba omupira ogubira kishayi ahi obwahatiya empaka zatangiye kugenda omu misho okubasa kurwanirira ekikopo mpaka empakezi ezirije kandi hona zityo zikahendera aha mazarwa ga Mukama Yesu Kristo ahiizooba rya Sunday ningashi Easter Sunday. Owekitiinisa Honorable Francis Zake hona empaka z'omupiira ezi nwarigire atyo akaziteekamu akasente kandi hona obwahati zabasize kutandika.
Omwami Kigovi kansala Ssemugabi ne ttiimu yo n'omulimu omunene gwe mukoze ogw'okukunga ekintu nekikwatayo bulungi obwenkaniddaawo bwekityo. Nziramu okwebaza olukiiko lwonna olukulembera lwamiti namwenna olw'omulimu gwe mukoze kuba tekibadde kyangu omupiira gunyumye nnyo wansi eno. Omubaka yasalawo tugende eno tweyazika ekisaawe ekya East ngeri ebisaawe vayibu si nnungi era vayibu erabise bulungi mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Njagala kubagamba obugambo butono olwaleero tubadde kuli haso nga tukubamu kwenoonyamu ettiimu tweraba abasambi abagenda okuvuganya ettiimu eziri erimiruka emirala z'amaanyi tugenda kuba tumuwanira miliyoni 2 n'ente ku mutendera oguddako. Ku lw'omukaaga tugenda Busuubizi, ku Sande tumalira Katakala eri omuluka gwe Katakala gwe gumaliriza emiruka gyonna tugisagudde twagala tukolemu ebibinja 3 tutandike okwekuba omupiira onoowulira. Efayino egenda kubaawo ku Easter tubeere n'abawanguzi ettiimu ezinaatuuka ku semi zonna 4 tulyoke tukole ki twekuba omupiira kiggwe. So namba 2 ajja kuba awangula miliyoni 2, namba 3 awangule miliyoni 1, namba 4 emitwalo 5. Omukyala anaawangula ku ttiimu z'abakyala agenda kuwangula ente. Naye emitendera guno omubaka yasazeewo n'ayongeramu vayibu. Abakyala bonna ettiimu 16 aziwadde emijoozi nga n'ettiimu ya Northwood yesoose okufuna guli wano.
Abantu ba Mityana hona barigireyo n'okushabwa kuba basa kutagira murro ngo habwe kuba omuntu wagira omurro hona nugukuleetera ebyawo byona byahwerekyera.
Basaba ne banyabo kibinjo okuba n'omulugube. Oba n'omulugube osobola okufiirwa byonna ababuulira omugezi awo takola ki?
Za asimwe ahabwa Gntv Agarikwotsya.
Polisi erukora by'engutu erigire yabasa kuba neherezayo okucondoza okwekozire okushira munonga za butandu ezibireho mu ngutu ezitari zimwe na zimwe omu ihanga rya Uganda kandi bashangira ngo butande nyingi nezibaho shayi 12 zakasheshe okwesya shayi 2 n'ecweka aho abantu nyamwingi bakuba nibaza mirimo yabo etari emwe n'emwe. Reka tubirebe.
Last year we recorded a number of crashes and we know the time when most crashes occur. These crashes occur between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Similarly, death also occurs between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. That is when we register many fatalities on the roads. We still continue to lose the age below 35 years, and this is the productive age of our economy. We continue to experience a rise in crashes as a result of the two-wheelers known as boda. The growth rate of motorization, especially the boda in this country, is high, and we continue to register death as a result of these two-wheelers. The most vulnerable road users recorded in 2023 were as follows. The most vulnerable were the pedestrians, followed by the motorcyclists. From the report, there was an increase of road traffic crashes that amounted to 15.5%, and also an increase in death as projected here. When you look at the trend analysis, the trend analysis from 2019 to 2023, there has been a steady increase in road crashes. And this increase is registered in categories of road users as motorcyclists, pedestrians, and those cycling. That's where we derive an increase when you look at the trend analysis of 2019 to 2023. However, there are several interventions, and these interventions include a systems approach in addressing road safety issues in this country. Education, engineering are critical intervention areas expected to have an impact on the reduction of these crashes. Finally, I would like to call upon the road users, all road users of each category that I mentioned in the preamble, to use the road carefully, because road crashes are preventable. We can prevent the road menace and spare the lives of our population or the productive age. Thank you very much.
Habwa Gntv Agarikwotsya ndikirinto nahabwe
aba byokwerinda kandi bakwatanise n'amahiga y'PDF bargayo babasa kuba nibareta report ningo kuchondozo kubakozere ahabikwatirine n'ebyobujubi nibagira ngo bwahati bashangire ngo abajubi binja hamya leta riyemenemwe nibakoresa obutimba obutarahamutindo kandi nangwa bakwatane byenyanje bitarahamutindo kwekorwe bakajana bija kurebeka ngo bona abara kwatwe bine bikozeso ebitarumboteka nibija kwana batebo mu nkomo kandi nangwa ekyo kyaleetera na poliisi kooti ya Entebbe okurugayo ekabasa kuba neesiima omulimu gw'aba UPDF bariyo nibakora kandi nangwa bakwataniise na poliisi. Katubirebe.
Banyuma y'abajubi b'enyanja okurugayo bakaguma nibashiisha ebyo bahangwa by'ahanyanja ebirimu nk'okukwata obw'enyanja bukiri buto ngo barikukoresa obutimba bwabo obukuba nibukwata obw'enyanja obuke oburimu nka bwa mukene hamwe n'ebindi kandi ekirikureetera kyaguma nikifeereza ihanga rya Uganda barikurabira omu kuteganisa ebyenyanja nk'ebi kandi obwo bakikwata obw'enyanja obu babuguza aha sente nke kandi obw'ihanga rya Uganda nibaryetegere ngu ebyenyanja byabo byaheza kukura baguze ebyenyanja ebi obw'ihanga rya Uganda ritunguke. Mbwenu amahegi y'ihanga rya Uganda aga Uganda People's Defence Force barikurabira mu kabondo kabo akarukuma eby'ahanyanja aka The Fisheries Protection Unit barigireyo bakwata obutimba obu hamwe na n'ebisheru na n'ebigega byona utireho n'amarobo agabengakira kukwata obw'enyanja obu obuke barugayo bagosya omu district ya Wakiso. Mbwenu iyo kooti enkuru omuri Entebbe erigireyo n'okuheereza obujulizi n'okuhamiza abanya-Uganda ngu amahega Uganda ga UPDF gariyo nigakora omurimo gw'amaani munonga nk'omu kurwanisa abajubi aba bakuba nibajuba obw'enyanja bukiri buto ngu akuba bagumizaho Uganda yitu neiza kutereera ngu kandi n'ebyo bujubi nibyiza kugira esente nyingi munonga obw'ihanga rya Uganda rutungukire kimwe. Kandi we omudumizi w'akabondo aka The Fisheries Protection Unit w'ekitinisa Lieutenant Frank akandwanaho yarugayo nawe okugira byashoboraho.
Illegal nets, fishing nets that we got from Kampala, from the waters of Wakiso as a sector, from different landing sites. It is amounting to 8.6 billion. So we got a court order. Our worship gave us the court order to ban. So everything we are doing here is
Mbwenu munyamakuru witu okuyaba naganiraho n'omuramuzi mukuru omuri kooti enkuru y'Entebbe Stella Maris Amibilis yarugayo n'okushobora arikugira mu UPDF biine kugisiimira kimwe abw'emirimo egi eriyo nekora ngo kurugayo n'okushobora ebikoresho ebi ebyokibwe okubiire nibitwazibwa.
Right now, as we stand, we have we have a new act that has come up, and that is the Fisheries and Aquaculture Act 2023, in which it gives the penalties for anybody who is found with illegal fishing gears and also the fishermen who don't have the license. So I would like to thank the sector commander with his team for having called me to come and witness this, because as court, it's very important that when we make these orders, we need to come and witness and see and know exactly that what the orders that we made are being complied with. So we have been working with the Fisheries Department for a long time, and this is the third time we are witnessing this kind of activity. The rest of the issues we are going to discuss. We have a number of items that we are going to ban. The first one is the beach boat stain, which is 2.5 inches, and there are 428. Then we also have the beach boat stain ropes, 30 meters. There are 6,550 of them. Then we have the gill nets, 2 to 4 inches.
Omuramuzi Stella Maris yarugayo n'okushobora ngu bonka kooti baheza kutekaho ebiragirebi biine kubikoratira bakareba uko bikozere kandi bakabihereza n'obujulizi ng'obundi bikagira kuyayambaho ihanga rya Uganda omu kutunguka hamwe n'okutungura business y'ebyobujubi.
Yes, there are 2,850. That is 2 to 6 inches. It is 12,800. They are there. And then we have the cast nets. That is 2.5 inches. It's 113 of them. Okay, the hooks The hooks, there are 10 to 20 of them. They are 10, 20 inches. 12,000. They are 13,800. Are they there? Where are the hooks? Then we have the basket traps, which is, so these are the gill nets, you can see. These are the gill nets. Then we have, this is the basket traps. We can all see the basket traps. This is what is killing our fish, especially the small ones.
Chino kandi we oryo mugambirizi wa kabondo aka Fisheries Protection Unit Lieutenant Rauben Ndifura yargayo no kushobora kandi no kuhabura abanya-Uganda ngo murimo gwo kurwanisa ibikorwa bibyo kuzuba hanyanza ngo tugura murimo gwa kabondo aka Fisheries Protection Unit bonka ngo hireho na nitwe abanya-Uganda ngo twekoremu omwoga twareba umuntu nazuba ebyenyanza arukoresa ubutimba butishikire hamwe n'ebindi bikozeso bitishikire mutindo ngo turije yotse kuhababa aha polisi tutereyo za reporter ngo bundi Uganda ikagiro kwiyakurakurana na nawo murimo gwo buzubi gweyongera amani umihangari ya Uganda
tetujja gamba nti amaje gakola omulimu gwabwe ekyo bula nti fe tukwata ebitimba bino bitatugana na mutindo ne tuyita bannamawulire tubalage ti omulimu tugukola naye omulimu gwokukola okulwanyisa envubu embi wano mu Uganda si mulimu gwa Fisheries Protection Unit yokka. Waliwo buli muntu yali badde alimu olulimbi lwe. Omuvubi alina omulimu gwokukola, abakulembeze abakulira abavubi balina omulimu gwokukola, then naffe abasirikale tulina omulimu gwokukola, then n'ebitongole ebirala ebiddako. So kyova olaba nti gukyatutte ebbanga nga tukyalaba ebitimba bwe biti ku nnyanja nti kyayika waliwo wetwetaaga okuba nga tukwasaganyiza wamu buli muntu gwekikwatako okusobola okuwera ddala ebyennyanja bino mugundi ebitimba bino bitatukagana mu mutima.
Habwa Gntv Agarikwotsya Nikirinto nahabwe
Teika nangwa no kurete mchemero njomba vuje ba boda boda murembo rwambara rizoba abebembezwa bavuje bibaza boda bakwatanise nanome orukujwekera omwebembezu yanga omurembo rwambara hagwenkano Fred Musje baryo basakwana bagira urukiko n'abavuje ababona kandi bagira unibije kubana barebe kango bor muvuje wa boda boda bamuhereze ndangamuntu ngo bunde cyo kikayongera ahamechwe no buteka omermo yabo reka tubirebe.
Bwanyuma ya business ya za boda boda hamwe no kuvuga za boda boda okuyongera mu ebizibu byinji munonga ebirumunko futega aba boda boda batayi babo bakabatera obuyondo kandi nangwa na nabandi bakita batayi babo okwibaza piki hamwe no kuzibuzaho okwibaza number plate hamwe n'ebindi byinji omurembo rwa Kampala na munonga omushweka ekyamuyenga ebyo kwerinda barigiriyo barukwereka obutashemerwa abwenshongezi za boda boda hamwe na nabembezi babo kurgayo bakagamba byinji ahanshonga ni yemwe bwenu abitongole byo kwerinda ng'ekitongole kya Uganda People's Defense Force agana mahegi hangari ya Uganda bargayo no kuletaho ekitenso obwakwatanise nabembezi baza boda boda omuri muyenga omurembo rwa Kampala barukugira ngo buri muvugi wa boda boda wena ashimikwa natunga endanga muntu ye ninga shiye kirukwereka ngo weno wa boda boda navugira ha stage eha kandi amazina gen gaha navuge kiro ninga shi navuga ihangwe mbweno bashimiye kwamba tunga ekintu ekiri kubankibereka ngo ubona ba boda boda kandi yamuyenga.
A big contribution here today is about opening another church in the area. I am going to direct him before we leave. Tomorrow he should come with a written report about the suitability of the place. Because we must have a toilet there, we must have water, and we must have electricity to charge their phones and the radios that they use in communicating.
Bueno munyamakuru witu kuyargayo no kuganiraho na bamwe ombebembezi babavugi ba boda boda hamwe n'abakama baza boda boda omurembo rwa Kampala na mnonga hekikorwe iki kibire kali omucweka ecyamuyenga bargayo no kusobora ngu aba boda boda tubona kugira ngo bine mjombi ngo ishireho haraba boda boda bache abariyo mbenda kusisa business yabo ya boda boda umwe n'abantu nkaba nibenda bagume babihemu na mnonga baba kozire enchiko baherezeyo amazina gabo abarkwetwaza kubi abatine micwe mirungi yo mu kitongore cyabo babihemu basigazemu abantu abaterire
baboda basinga abantu barungi bakola omulimo gwabo bulungi naye batono mulimo group ntono yereso obusibu ate yonoonye business yaki ya boda. Kano there is another observation which you observe, which is very strange. Ndabye wano bakuba nnyo abagwira. They target mainly foreigners. Aba Eritrea babakuba nnyo ate babakuba bubi.
Abebembeza aba bargayo no kwereka utashemerwa barukusaba abavugi ba boda boda hamwe n'abakama baza boda boda omurembo rwa Kampala okugira ngo bagire emico mirungi bareke kubona abonesa abatura hamwe na nabo abakwamba bavuga amapiki gabo kandi barese muno muzego kwiba ngo nagombo yenu omuzogwe bagire bagucendeza obwe kitongore cyabo cya boda boda cyengere futunguka na Uganda yona ufutwariza hamwe.
So there is something siroza kubba koka waliwo kirala oku analysis yetulina. Waliwo omusajja wali mu Eritrea boda zali bbiri nezimulumba akatambi tukalina ne bamusala ne bamuba baaga ye ekifo kyokugenda bamaze kubba biwedde ekifo kyokukola ki ne bagenda okukwata ejinja bamukube ku mutwe baasa omutwe after stealing. So why?
Omunyamakuru witu byabana gambo hono rishente ko stage ya boda boda ya muyenga yargayo no kumushobora arukugira ngo abavugi ba boda boda bamwe bakaza mukoresha enzayi baza kurya amirungi mbene no shangaza sayibirize kiro batireho akakukabo barya kurya amirungi ngukande kiri kuruga mu ryecyo narigamo ufite muri abatayi babo hamwe na no kwiba utiro no kucocereza ibintu byabandi
nsaba buli MP baba geteka wakusonga omuntu atayagala kugenda kukola obuzibu kati bwe tulina wano nga muyenga bukasa eri yange ngendingaga kyema abavuko osanga ku makya nga bali mu kulya mayirungi ali kunywa njaga ali kukola nviiri ng'omuyimbi naye nga si muyimbi.
kandi bo abiyo kwerinda bargayo no kuhamiza ba boda boda ngo tubarakomye ahargeki nibijagumana bakora okucondoza kwabo bakwate abakubantu batwaza kubi kandi bwa hati bikizemu abantu barkwinganasha tunababiri mu nkomo zabo abwe micombi amwe nendizo mishango etariye mwenemwe mbenu nibiza kuba barebukaho mukoti babuzwe kanana katano akatino muhamro abwa kimba kora ibyo byona ebirukushisha izina rya boda boda.
They moved 19 days that the two suspects in respect to the forgery have already been arraigned in courts, others on remand. I'm told there are others who pleaded guilty and were convicted there and then. We still have another 10 in custody, and they should be appearing anytime soon, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So, of course, it's still work in progress. We are continuing with our operations.
Gntv Agarikwotsya ni Clinton nawe.
Tura okurwa mu ishaza lya busi baragaye babasa kubana beitomboitwa abwenyamisho zugumire nezibabze mahale genda nbagira ngo muri yezo harimo ejubu nezigumana zibatahirira kandi ukira munonga uzugumire neziryabo abakuba baryahanyanja nibashoha rwekurwe bakashaba government bebase kugira uko yabayamba okurengo yarinde jubezi sitamara amagara gabo nangwa nemiseri yawo reka tubirebe
abebembezi kandi hona nangwa n'abatura okurwa mu district ya Busi omwahati baragaye no futerera government omuranga kwergaye kabayamba aha kizubu cyenjubu ningashi hippopotamus erhone jwekereza amagara gabo omunyanja na munongabo abarukora omishuburo y'ibyenyanja ningashi abajubi aha nyanja zokwe abantu bagira ngo hone jubuza bavuze obusinge kandi ho n'amagara gabingi garuhonga twarwa bwanyuma yo kugira ngo ekizubwe kintu cyeyongera bwashesha bwira ngo bite barigire bakagambera n'abarukurinda inyamishwa zumbishaka kurwa mu kitongore cyo kumanga cya Uganda Wildlife Authority tubakaragayo gakuja kugera icyo babayamba ningashi kwija kwakira injubwetso ngo bwahatereza kigendo misho no kucyekereza amagara gabo
jogera kumvubo buli omwakitegeera kyekisolo ekituyiganyiza emyaka n'emyaka naye njagala okubategeeza abantu abali wano nti mu myaka ejja covid 2 twafiirwa abantu abawera 6 mu covid naye nga bafudde ate envubu era biseera ebyo nagamba nti nno singa gavumenti ebadde ewulira emmotoka zeyawa mu covid ne covid etaafa abantu yandibadde ewaddeko busikisa kawunti emu ku response y'envubu okusobola okubeera nga ekola ki ewawaanya enteekateeka ezo naye envubu etutidde abantu human rights report by that time yatwala obuvunanyizibwa nenoonyereza abantu 64 nga be bakafa naye njagala okubategeeza ate okuva covid tuviiriddwako abantu abalala abasukka mu 2 oba abasukka mu 2 kati tuli mu bantu abawera 9 njagala okubategeeza abantu baffe basigadde bubi tulina bamulekwa tulina bannamwandu babbaabwe abamu babadde tebannazimba babbaabwe abamu babadde tebannabakwenunula n'abaana nga basigadde awo basebo ne banyabo prime minister mmanyi nti nno ebigambo binajja biwulira kubanga mu ofiisi ye mwemuva ekitavu ekikwata kwabo abatuukiddwako ebibeerabeera naye mbadde njagala waaki yasisinkaneko ku bannamwandu ne bamulekwa bwabayo amabaati agafisse babawe bagakozese bwabawo amabaati agafisse babawe bagakole ki bagakozese bwabayo sente eziweerera omwana babaweerere n'emmere abamu tebalina kubanga bazadde bwawe baali balya mu nnyanja naye n'ennyanja kati nayo tekyatembeka basebo ne banyabo eyo yenvubu twawandiika report ne tusubmitinga uwa ebadde egezaako okwogerezeganyako n'abakulembeze teri lipooti eyinza okuba nga ebulamu naye ebulamu ng'abantu bafudde nze ndowooza nti neeyo si nsonga abantu bakyafa tefuddeeyo era mbadde njogeranga ne bannamawulire lwokyo nga mbagamba nti nno mu kaseera akatono nnyo bajja kundaba nga nsitudde bamulekwa ne bannamwandu nga tuba batwalidde ku ofiisi zaabwe ekamookya era ekyo tujja kikola nga tetugambye muntu yenna tusobole okubeera nga tutaasa ku mbeera abantu baffe gye balimu
ensolo zino eziruma abantu nakyo kikulu nnyo minisita wildlife nja kumubuulira naye asobole okulabako kyakola kubanga tikyali badde kituufu ate okutulira abaana basukka mu 6 kiba kimekinga ekifo kyaffe okubanga ate kifuuka kya bulabe
ahashonga ho n'izindi zibargayo no kwimusya bargayo no kushaba oriyenganzi y'ihanga ya Uganda uw'ekitinisa Right Honorable Robin Nabanja okwasa kurgaya kabayamba kidyeri ningashi kya feri ekibabahire akargaya kachikora kandi kite kikatanka kutambuza emirimo yabo nangwa no kubatambuza ombyentambara ekiba kugira ngo cyaba kitakuzurwe hona shikiro hubwa hatiya nishicwekereza ningashi nikibagumiza ombyentambara byabo.
Mama Nabanja tusaba feri eyatuweebwa abeebusi tuweebwe naffe tusobole okweyunga ku lukalu olwo tulyoke enkulaakulana egende mu maaso.
Honorable Katumba Wamala ti feri gye waweereza ebusi tekola naye ng'ate ne mu ripooti gye ngenda okuwandiika nja kiteekamu kituuke wa Prime Minister kituuke ne wa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nti feri eri wali naye tekola kitekola njirabyeko nange simanyi lwaki ne bajja kumbuulira naye ng'eyo message nja kugituusa. Chairperson yagambye Mwami Bwanika nti tewali kubo lituuka ku makubo gano agamu era nkirabye ate nakyo nja kituusa.
Aw'ekitinisa Minsa Kabanda hona nawo owahika mukoro nugo gumwe yargayo no kugira ngo ebyona ebimuka bakamugambira nangwa n'eshonga z'abantu babusi ezibine naje kuja kuzitwara ow'ekitinisa Right Honorable Robin Nabanja kandi naje kuzikoraho nko kukikwetagisa ngo nabwekyo mbikikane kandi emituma ebagaruko munda ngo habwo kuba Nabanja ebyo nibyo byatwire nakora.
Destination for tourism and investment. But the main challenge has been electricity. Things could not move. Now that there is electricity, Busi is going to benefit immensely. One, is going to spur tourism. There are many people who have invested in tourism. There are hotels coming, but their challenge has been electricity. So many people were shy to develop this place, but now with the electricity, I can assure you this place is going to improve. Many tourists are going to come here. Hotels are going to grow. The sub-county is going to benefit from revenue, from tourism, and also from the hotels.
Providing eriato nga emergency nenga twetaaga ambulance nga bannabusi nakyo nja kyogerako tusobole okulaba manyi nti Prime Minister ayanguwa mu nsonga zino era singa abaddewo singa kati agati eyo njibawadde naye sigenda kyogera wabula ngenda kimubuulira nti abantu b'ebusi beetaaga ambulance in case of an emergency zeri mukyala musawo manyi ekintu ekyetaagisa nga omukyala abadde ayagala okuzaala oba nga alemereddwa okuzaala ebeera emergency. So ekyo kyemwogedde mu bintu byonna kikulu nnyo okubanga feri eyeekola okutwala omuntu essaawa yonna obanga n'ambulance weeri sobola okuyisa omuntu ku lukalu okumutwala mu ddwaliro okusobola okuzaala.
Zasimu aba GNTV Agarikwotsya
itaho Agarikwotsya omwabazi ogu agongo twabatukwinire kandi n'abandi EVAS AKANKWASA ne Joseph mu control room evening special niyo kuba nekurataho mukama mulungi abankomere.